Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get more resin. Resin is a crucial resource in many games, and understanding its mechanics is key to progression. It naturally regenerates over time, usually at a rate of 1 unit every 8 minutes. To maximize your gains, always aim to spend your resin before it reaches its maximum capacity, which is often 160 units. This ensures you're not missing out on any free regeneration. Beyond natural regeneration, consumable items are your best friend for boosting resin. Fragile resin, for example, instantly grants you 60 units, perfect for when you're short on energy. Condensed resin is another fantastic option, letting you double your rewards from certain activities. It's wise to save these items for specific farming days or when you really need to push your progress, rather than using them haphazardly. Many games offer daily activities and special events that can significantly increase your resin supply. Make sure to complete your daily quests and challenges, as these often provide bonus resin or items that can be converted into it. Limited time events are also a goldmine for extra resources, so always participate when they are available. Don't forget to check for daily login bonuses too. Sometimes, a little extra resin is waiting for you there. Effective resin management is just as important as acquiring it. Prioritize spending your resin on the materials you most urgently need for your character or weapon upgrades. Avoid the temptation to overfarm one specific item if you have other critical needs. Planning your resin usage around weekly boss resets or specific domain rotations can also help you maximize efficiency and ensure you're always making the most of your valuable resin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.